I'm brand new to instructional design. What are some of the more popular instructional design tools that I need to be using? How much is it going to cost me to get started with instructional design? These are just a few popular questions that I get asked. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 instructional design tools that you can use, and I'm going to share with you how much they cost. I'm also going to show you towards the end of the video which one I liked in the very beginning when I first got started and which one I chose to use to create my instructional design portfolio. So tool number 1 is iSpring Suite. It's a popular tool that's out there right now. It's a PowerPoint-based authoring tool that will help you to create slide-based e-learning courses. It has all kinds of interactivity that you can add in quizzes and interactive learning processes throughout the courses that you're creating. iSpring Suite is going to cost you anywhere from $770 to $970 a year, just depending on the package that you purchase. You can get a 14-day free trial with it, so you can kind of get in there and play around so you can see if that is the purchase you want to make. Tool number 2 is Adobe Captivate. That's another popular one right now. It's a great e-learning authoring tool. It helps you with branching scenarios and interactive quizzes. In fact, the entire Adobe suite is a great thing to have. You got Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Captivate for an individual is going to cost about $408 a year, or about $33 a month, however you choose to do it. It does come with a 7-day free trial so that you can get in there and kind of play with the tools and see if that is a purchase that you would like to make. Tool number 3 is Articulate 360. Articulate 360 is one of the more popular ones out there right now. You probably have already heard of it. When you purchase Articulate 360, it actually has the whole bundle package of all e-learning authoring tools. It has Rise 360 in it and Storyline 360. Rise 360 is a web-based e-learning process, course-based, and then Storyline 360 is more of a PowerPoint slide-based courses. If you were to purchase Articulate 360 for an individual as a freelancer, it's just over $1,000 for the year. It does come with a 30-day free trial so that you can have a whole month to get in there and kind of play around with all of the tools that they have to kind of see if this is the purchase that you want to make. Tool number 4 is Vyond. Vyond is actually a fun little software that you can get into because it's animated and you can create fun little animated presentations and e-learning courses. If you choose to purchase Vyond, it's $300 a year or $25 a month. It does come with a 14-day free trial, so you can get in there and play with those tools. Tool number 5 is Camtasia. Camtasia is a video editing software that just really helps you to create professional looking videos. You can create tutorials, presentations, video trainings. You also have different interactive icons and quizzes that you can include in your trainings as well. Camtasia is actually free to get into to just kind of play around and take a look at it. If you were to purchase Camtasia, it's $299 a year. So out of these 5 tools, I chose to use Articulate 360 in the very beginning to create my very first instructional design portfolio. Articulate 360 is one of the more popular ones, and about 90% of my clients ask for their trainings to be created using either Rise or Storyline 360. Just having that 30-day free trial really helped me to be able to get in there and create some examples that I could use for my portfolio. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.